If it can be written or thought, it can be filmed. I think for us, every single piece of work brings us pride. We recently did the M56 product film for Samsung on CGI, and the film turned out so well that there were, blogs and articles written about the work and how the CGI work in the film was outshining the product. So I think for us, this was the we did it moment. In Cylinder, the biggest thing is that your work always really speaks, right? So listening and understanding your customer and knowing exactly what they need, providing the right solution, and always under promise and over deliver, that really goes a long way, because at the end of the day, it's the output that really matters for the client. An often underrated leadership skill, according to me, is vulnerability. Leaders who can authentically share their own weaknesses, struggles, and emotions actually build trust and connection with their teams, fostering a more open and collaborative environment. I feel that there's no shortage of remarkable ideas. What's missing is the will to execute them. So obviously talk less and action more. I think just do the right thing in the sales process and completely and absolutely hold the client relationship. That goes a long way. Well, I have a very different relationship with different people at EC. But if I have to pick a few, one would be definitely Kajal. I love talking to her. She always talks about a lot of interesting work and the pitches that she's done. And I talk about a lot of good work that Cylinder has done for various clients. My go-to person, if I have to kind of vent out anything or if I have to talk something really personal, obviously I go to Shilpa. She is one person who kind of, when she's not in office, I always check with her where she is. And in a day, we kind of make it a point to catch up once and just talk about what's happening at office, what's happening outside, in my life and in her life. So that's the kind of connection I have with her. The life coach that I have with me here is in EC is obviously Umesh. Besides just professional advice and work-related stuff, he also kind of guides me in my journey in terms of giving me the right kind of advice and what I need to do next in life, what I need to achieve, what I need to pursue. I think that will be two non-negotiables. One is someone with an attitude who always believes that this can be done and who does not think that this is impossible and it cannot be achieved. And the second one, which is the most important, is the person has to be like a really good human being, because if you are one, you stay away from politics and power and all these other games, right? So I think I would probably say two non-negotiables in the team. I think that they are just very lucky, but the truth is that we are not. We also work very hard. We also seek mentors and study the tactics of successful business leaders before us. And we also have our own share of failures, pressure, challenges, and struggle. Of late, I've been tripping to this new drop by Ed Sheeran and Arijit, which is Sapphire. I absolutely love it. So it's constantly on loop. On other days, it would be I Want Something Just Like This by the Chainsmokers and Coldplay. Hashtag Kaam Se Hi Naam. Rest all is noise. Spending time with my loved ones and watching a lot of TV. I'm happy being me. Don't want to become anyone else. Any day, would be dancing to Kathak. I have my master's in performing arts and I love the dance form because it kind of brings a lot of Indianness and it adds to our culture, which is obviously long forgotten and gone. So because everything is now become so westernized. So I'd like to always turn to, dancing to Kathak. I love making some great cocktails for my friends and family when they come home. And I have a disorder of collecting shoes. So probably I would be just going and buying shoes. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. I'm my own favorite. One would be life will not happen the way you have planned. So have fun and learn to roll with it. And the other one would be you will keep making many mistakes. And that's okay. You will learn from it and you'll grow. I wish I could be invisible so that I can go wherever I want to go and no one would notice. Professional, always have a mentor who can guide you in your professional journey. Be sincere and loyal to your work, because loyalty is one thing that really goes a long way. Personal, My mom always said, never break anyone's heart. So I'd always stick by this. I think Cylinder right now is at a very interesting phase. And we've done a lot of work since we started about 2.5 years back. We've done a lot of work in the Samsung, non-Samsung, as well as the advertising space in short form. But now we are slowly moving and towards the VFX side of the business. We've done some and we backed some very big projects for VFX for the Korean market, which are actually going to be showcased in Amazon Prime and Netflix. There's a full-blown team who's kind of churning out some interesting content in the VFX space. So the future is very exciting. While short form and advertising will always be the first love, but when it comes to growing Cylinder, we are also kind of treading towards the VFX industry, and we've kind of not just the Korea market. We now want to also aggressively enter the India industry, which is the Bollywood primarily industry that we want to kind of target.